Are you looking for the perfect Valentine's Day to celebrate with your loved ones even if you're miles apart? I'm taking you with a very special Valentine's gift from Love Love. And it's beautiful experience I'm sharing with my mother. We are at Euro Resto at Eurotel North EDSA. The music and the ambience is so good. I really appreciate the comfortable and the distance between the table that you can actually have a private conversations without the next table hearing everything. They have a contest for the best couple photo and someone asked to take picture with me and mother as their official entry. Even though we are in video call, we really felt that we are in dinner date. This is just a special experience for me and my mother because this is our first time to experience a Valentine's dinner date. They serve a 13-course meal, and I made a mistake when they asked me what should be first to serve. I request the main dishes right away. I didn't realize that appetizer, soup, and salad were by request only, which is why it took so long for our orders to arrive. We really enjoyed this celebration, especially the place, the food, and the romantic vibe. I hope you will like this idea. Till next time, bye-bye!